Message for all of us in Sierra Leone, about this deadly virus that has come in the world. Coronavirus is deadly and it's killing. Let's use all the preventive measures so it doesn't spread.
Result of this coronavirus, we don't be rabid the whole world, and salutes if not to exception. When I know say Health Legacy now the third and final year will be there by the project. So now we then at the community will be done plan together and not we just see, we go ahead, we not know. So now make we say, well, if they can't talk, so they go back and make the presentation. We not say for daily. Now we not say ban or rather been saying that they can't do meeting and come for not see again, we not say now the activity don't change. I don't know the reason why make ban established. We only focus now for look at how citizens then will participate by national budget processes for make them transparent and accountable. One now where they are, when they pay tax, and that tax the nine government they use for provide services for we. It be there specifically for look at key issues where the goal now for strengthening community and district structure to work towards a healthy budget that is adequate and effectively managed to improve maternal newborn child. So even though they advocate for the government put more money per well body, we get a focus say where them born picking, let the picking not die. That be the focus of the project. But because Corona don't come, fortunately for we the donors, they say, well, let me think what we will do. And so now we don't direct the focus of this project to something else. So we don't do some adaptation for coming, for let we say provide support. Then say let's support vulnerable groups. But we're not going to also able to support all the vulnerable groups. So make a selection we don't approve. So because this project get relationship to newborn child, remember the overall goal, so let them say, oh, target lactating mothers. When I not say disabled now, we were able now we give them, not so. If we don't affected by the virus, we're not infected though, but we don't affected. You when they pull give the man where disabled, you not get. How we go there? So your situation go worse. So then consider say, Lord also make small support, we go to them. So then are the category within the community. Although the community get general other support, we go to them towards the fight for COVID. But what make important for the world there to the law and know the support all now they go to the community so because now get COVID now the district. So some of the support we've been there for now, we don't divert them for support quarantine homes.
BAN are one of the organizations who don't partner with civil society, who don't see they're too open. From the day one when they can start the project from the first year, they tell you say, now this activity will get for do for year one, now this activity will get for do year two, and now this will get for do year three. And now this amount of money 9 days for their engagement them. So they don't do this so much, and we don't see say yes, we as CS, we don't see that openness. And BAN they don't even make the community people that now don't become aware and we're informed about activities when they take place at the communities. Where don't they make sense say, but quickly they don't be know. Now they don't know. They don't know about budget processes. They don't know about stakeholders. Where drugs or count. They don't know about all that things. So for this engagement today, where BAN don't do, we happy because they don't come make open the activities they want to be get because COVID don't come. They don't align them to the community project because this is tied. You do not use the money for now to the other money for send about to the donors. But we glad we engage the donors and we say look at what to for do. Whatever BAN do now in collaboration with 2 districts, the council, the DHMT, and with the civil society. Now all engage and discuss what which kind of support for can give. We don't become challenge. If they go to some communities, people they buy rice 3,000 per cup. Some area they buy 3 cup 5,000. So this is a big challenge for people in the community. When I say that 3 days lockdown, people in this community there, they live on the daily sustenance. What they go fair for the day, night they eat. But when they can sell it down for 3 days, it's not easy for the people there. So but this one BAN don't do. I think say they go able to reduce that kind of challenge in the community because they target the vulnerable.
The supports come in handy at this point in time where we get quarantine homes as well as treatment center. and also get communities where vulnerable, given the fact that most farming calendar don't be interrupted by the outbreak of the COVID, and also most communities also don't be affected. So therefore, at this point, then donations can come with directed to communities. We think say it's very well appreciated, and they come in at the right time.
Daddy, when they don't catch today, they say, man, they don't give you something, so go for support them. We daddy on the tongue. So today, why are you on the tongue? We the daddy, really, because what you don't do for them, not really. So God is said today. Well, I think the way they don't get, when they go see the people, when they so for them, when they give for them. So now they try the people then. Anybody when they give that opportunity, when you go, give the people then. You call rather a ban. They want transparency and accountability.
Okay, when we make a power, give it to people. Mukoro katago to na mali. Manje muko mwati mwege yi. The way tamo ula, the way mwabe mwato ula. Muko katago to people. Save jina tipia. Amuko unego. Sla kona gabeji lwa. Gaya basi lwa. Gamaki lwa. Gobu lwa. Okay.
Donation there for we, for all the community people there, the vulnerable people there. So we just go for tell the thank you and appreciate them for whatever thing they don't do for we and what they about to do again.
Abstain from all the things that we shouldn't do, so we can have a healthy nation and a better coronavirus.